How to add music to Facebook Reels. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add music to your Facebook Reels. But before we get started, make sure to like the video down below and hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to not miss out on any of our new videos. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, open up Facebook application and make sure that you are logged into your account. So what I'm going to do here is simply go ahead and post a reel. You can do that by going over to the plus icon at the top right corner right beside search. Then you can select the reel section from here. Tap on reel. Now select a video you want to post as a reel. So I'll just select this video. And as you can see here, this video has its own audio. So what I'm going to do is tap on audio at the top, right side of the screen and then tap on it. It's going to take me to this page, and what I can do is just mute the audio. Tap on this mute button or move the slider all the way to the left, and then I'll instead add a music to the reel. Once you tap on it, you can just select any music you like. And once you've done that, you can just go ahead and tap on done. Select the music. So here I'll just select this music and then tap on edit reel. You can make different edits to it if you want. I'll just leave it as it is. Tap on done at the top right. And then simply post the reel. Tap on next. And then tap on share. Now you can add its caption and you can schedule posting as well. I'll just post it right now. Tap on share now. And then your reel will be posted with a audio on Facebook. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.